Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are not far from haymaking now. The grass is huge. I've got a video for you guys coming up with the duck run. That is me expanding it, so I think you guys will enjoy that one. See, he's pulled the mower out now. We're going to have a look at what he's doing in a minute around the front. Got the Bamford plough there. That is for sale. Now we're going to go around this way. So I've pulled the GoPro out and got it charged up ready. There's our new Fraser trailer. It does have sides as well, which we've took off. There's the old chain arrow. Cultivator's growing grass. Look at that. A couple of years ago we did a video, I think disaster strikes twice on the farm. Now that video relates to this trailer right here. And yeah, you can see the Leyland in the background and the lovely grass. So this trailer, right, it used to be wooden on the board. Dad's put some old tin sheets on. One of the wheels had an issue, went pop. I think the rust caught the tyre and it just went bang. It's terrible. I can't remember the exact video, but I remember what it was called. So he's put a new wheel on it now instead. So, and done the sheets. So we've got her for haymaking. We've got the Fraser trailer for haymaking. We've got the bale trailer. And probably my old one. My hands are nice, sorry. My one there, what I call the ship's timber. There's the old Leyland. She had a bird's nest in her the other day. There's a video on TikTok. You can find us, Mo's Family Farm, on TikTok. I occasionally post on there, very rarely now and again. So the video's on about with the GoPro is the ducks have been expanded finally round the pond. There is a video to show all this. Just need to find some editing software and start again, because as you guys may remember if you've been following for a while, the reason mainly why the videos calmed down was in December my PC went poop. I've lost my editing software, all the old videos, and slowly lost the interest to use the GoPro. So that's caused delays in the what I'd call the edited videos. I'll show you the polytunnel as well. There's so much growing going on. But let's have a look what he's been doing down here. Come on. Let's go and have a look. Oh. Yoink. There's the quad bike. Now he's got himself a topper that he's had for ages. And he's been finally welding it and painting it. Do a little YouTube video. How many panels you welded into it? I don't know. You don't know, so too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm easily counting 6 there. There's probably more down there. 7. So he's just painting up this topper.
Every topper I've ever welded, the average panels amount of plates to put in is normally 7.
An average of 7 plates.
7 plates.
What else do you need to do to it?
Every one I've ever done is 7. That's doing that welding 7 plates in it.
Oh yeah, what else do you need to do to it?
Gearbox. New bearings in the gearbox.
Where's your little quad bike trailer? Is it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't be asked to show that.
Bearings.
Oh, you got haybobs, didn't you? Right, I'm gonna go this way quickly.
Gearbox bearings.
I've got the pictures of that plough. We'll relist it up. Let's whip over this way. Yeah. So this year with the chickens, we've now lost 4. We're having a really bad year. We think it's mycoplasma. So there's Morgana. They've been struggling with this mystery illness for quite a few years now, and I think it's where we introduced one to the flock and she wasn't well and it spread through eventually, so we're slowly losing our flock, and it's kind of sad because of the original. So we lost Coco. She was an absolute mainstay on the channel. She always used to pop up. There's Pidgey, she's not right, and Speckledy there. Look at Speckledy right down there, right? Look at this. So she's breathing heavy. So it looks like the mycoplasma. They've had multiple of, it's like, I think it's farmers in or something. And yet again, the only times they have it, we just can't seem to get rid of the mycoplasma. So we've also got some F10 to clean out in there. Look at this, looks like a scrapyard at the minute. Haybobs, Dad's bought 2 more. I couldn't tell you which, but I'm going to say it's that one and maybe that one. I don't know, I'm so lost with the haybobs now. Because we've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 haybobs. Who needs this many haybobs? Baler's apparently ready to go. Although it looks a bit of a mess in here. Is she ready to go? Just don't look it to me. He hasn't even done the pickup tines. I don't even know. This doesn't look too good. We'll find out. The Blue Beast. So she's got our actual hay bob that we use. I recognise the gates. That's how I know that's the main one. There's a hay bob on here. She's clearly missing some tines there. So I have no idea what's going to look like under there. Full drive Renault's hiding there nicely. And obviously the David Brown now up and running again. Needs to finish off painting though. You can see I've painted that front under where the grill would be, around the battery tray. And then there's Scrapatron baler. Now let's go this way. You see we've got the electric fencing up over there. The growing has been insane since I've been gone. I cannot believe how much stuff they've been growing and how long it's got. It looks like the jalapenos have died. So we've got this bale trailer here which we'll be using. And then there's that one that Dad needs to, is that like a Fergie 3-ton by the looks of it? That he needs to sort out. Obviously scrap trailer with a grab on it, grab sledge, sorry. Let's head in here. The growing has gone chaotic. Actually, what's this? That's a flower. Don't know anything about flowers. Flowers. I mean, look, why are my peppers out here? Are we trying to kill them or what? Or are we saying they're not going to grow? Because they are tiny. I'm not sure. I think we're just going to say they're dead. I don't know. Weird. Strawberries. Insane. You want a strawberry? There's loads of them in there. Lettuce. Some of it's dying there. Cauliflower. Not sure why it's not been put out yet. Looks like a tomato. But look at this. It's like a jungle in here now. Cauliflower, lettuce, parsley, coriander, tomatoes. I'm going to say tomatoes. There's quite a few tomatoes by the looks of it. There's cucumbers in here, and I can see one. Let's have a nippy in here. There she is. Or well, it's some kind of marrow. Hope it's a cucumber. I don't think she likes the other things, courgettes. I don't know. There's one there and there. They've got to be cukes. That looks like a beetroot colour plant leaf. It's one when I don't ever talk to. I don't actually know what's going on. What's these random orange flowers? They're beautiful. That looks like a pepper. I don't know. I'm going to say they might be a pepper, but don't quote me on that. I could be totally wrong. There's some coriander or parsley there. There's a popcorn the wrong side of the electric fence. Hello, Mr. Fox. Fucking thing. Lettuce there. Look like salad there growing. Now a run of beans. They're starting to come up the frame, but not very quick. Some kind of dead lettuce there. And some plant in there. And then I know there's loads of cauliflowers and that over there. So there's a quickie update. Maybe if anyone knows of any software that's free that I can use for video editing on my PC, that'd be really helpful. Obviously I've got all my software I use for making thumbnails. God, I've even got my old photography software that I use for doing photography editing, but it's the video side of it. I haven't got a bloody clue. So if anyone knows of anything, then please recommend down below what I should download. I want it free, I'm not paying. So I used to use Adobe Premiere Pro, but I don't use that anymore. So yeah, come on, recommendations, because we need to get these videos out and get the GoPro going again. Alright guys, there's a quick update, quick walk round. I think I've shown you absolutely everything. Tractors, hay bobs, topper, plough. There's probably more ploughs out there. I'm sure there's more ploughs out in here. So yeah, another plough. I don't know. Right, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Take care.